Hey, what's up? How's everybody doing? Welcome to my channel, Mikey's Automotive. Hola, bienvenidos todos a mi canal. Здравствуйте, как дела? Добро пожаловать на мой канал. So today, you guys, I'm having a problem with my Dolphin key cutter. Okay, where the drill bit is not spinning. The cutter, okay, it's not spinning at all. So estoy teniendo un problema con mi cortadora Dolphin, okay. XP, donde la cortadora no está girando. Ok, so vamos a abrirla hoy y vamos a ver qué es el problema que está teniendo. Ok, vamos a quitar la tapadera y chequear, reemplazar esa parte, a ver qué se puede hacer. Alright guys, so we're gonna remove this cover. You guys can see it has little covers right here, little covers of rubber in the front too. You're gonna remove those and remove the screw behind those two. Okay, and then you have like about 4 screws on the left, 4 screws on the right, the screw on the handle. Okay, and then 2 screws on top and 2 screws in the back. You're gonna have to remove all those screws on the outside. So primero vamos a quitar los tornillos de la agarradera. Okay, y luego tenemos 1, 2, 3, como 4 tornillos de un lado, 4 tornillos del otro lado, 2 atrás y 2 arriba. Vamos a quitar todos esos. Okay, 2 a frente. You guys can see the screws that are exposed in the front. Okay, remove those as well behind the little covers. We're going to remove our handle. Okay, really easy, you guys. L2, remove the handle, remove the 2 screws on both sides. Quitamos nuestra agarradera. Set that aside, you guys. And then we're going to remove our 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws on one side, 4 screws on the other side, 2 screws on top, and 2 screws in the back. Aquí pueden ver los 2 tornillos atrás, 2 tornillos arriba, 4 al lado, de un lado y 4 del otro lado. So slowly, despacito, quiten la cobertura, ok, desconecten la pluga del botón de encender. You guys, please unplug the plug from the turn on and off button before you remove the shield, okay, all the way, or else you're gonna yank it. So don't yank it, you guys. Please take your time. We're gonna disconnect 2 more things. We're gonna disconnect the screen on top and the LED in the bottom, okay, the one that lights up the cutter and the probe when you're in the dark. So vamos a desconectar 2 más plugs. Vamos a desconectar la pantalla de arriba, ok, la pluga de la pantalla de arriba y luego la luz de LED donde está el cortador, ok, donde enciende el área del cortador donde está cortando. So desconecta la pluga de la pantalla de arriba, el LED abajo. So you guys, there's also 2 screws on top right here that you're going to remove to remove the front cover, ok. Pueden ver que hay 2 tornillos arriba para remover la cobertura de frente. So se van a quitar estos 2 tornillos. Y luego hay 2 más tornillos acá frente. You guys can see where I remove the plugs of the screws in the front. You're going to remove those little plastic plugs, and there's 2 screws behind there. So hay 2 tornillos atrás de estos hoyitos. Remuevan esos 2 tornillos, ok. Aquí está la cobertura. Those are little covers, the little plugs where the screw comes out, ok. Stick a little pick in there, poke those out. And also, you guys, I want to show you guys where the cover goes, the protector, where the debris flies, the little plastic. That's a screw as well. So go ahead and unscrew that with the L2. Stick a little stick in there, lefty loosey, tighty righty. So esta cosita aquí donde pones el protector, ok, de la basura de plástico, también es como un tornillo, lo vas a girar hacia la izquierda para sacar ese tornillo. So eso se va a remover también. You guys remove this, lefty loosey, tighty righty. And then, as you guys can see, the probe and the cutter are mounted, okay, where it's mounted, that part, we're going to also make that part go up. There's a screw behind here that we're going to turn the screw to the right. Okay, just make sure you guys have disconnected your LED. Here's our LED for our cutter. Aquí está nuestra pluga de LED de la luz, okay, de nuestra cortadora. La parte de abajo, I'm going to show you guys where it's at right now. So make sure it's disconnected, you guys. These are all the plugs for the rest of the stuff. Aquí pueden ver las plugas de las demás de las cosas, de los motores, del motores X y Y. Ya desconectamos nuestra pluga de las luces de LED. You guys we disconnected our plug already for LED lights. Now we're going to lower the mechanism that moves the probe and cutter down, up and down with the screw. You can mark it with the yellow marker. Vamos a mover ese tornillo que mueve la cortadora para arriba para abajo para poder mover la cobertura de frente. So you guys, if we don't twist the screw to the right, the cutter and probe, you're not able to move it up and remove the cover, so we gotta twist to the right so it can go up, and we're able to remove that cover. Like I said, mark it with a yellow marker to know where to put it back. La puedes marcar con un marcador ahí para ver cuántas veces le dices vuelta, ok. Ya cuando girates a la derecha ya puedes remover la cobertura. Aquí pueden ver nuestra plaga de LED, ok. Por eso las conectamos. You guys, that's why we removed it and we unplugged it. You guys can see our wire for LED, and we're able to remove our cover for our front side of the motors, okay. You guys can see our pulleys and our belts right there, okay. Our motors, our belt right there, it broke, and that's the issue. That's why our cutter is not spinning at all. Ahí pueden ver el problema. Ok, de nuestras poleas, nuestro motor ahí se rompió la banda y por eso es que ya no gira hacia la mano derecha. Voy a poner en la descripción donde se puede comprar esta banda. Okay, you guys can see that's our issue right there. And our belt, I'm going to put a description below, where you can get this belt for our motors, okay, for our pulleys. And we're able to fix it. It's a really easy fix, you guys. We just need to make sure we get one same size thickness, okay, that can go in between the pulleys. So that's really important. You can replace it with any one you have. Just make sure it's a nice, good quality size and it fits in between the pulleys, and you should be good, okay. Puedes reemplazarla con cualquier banda, pero asegúrate que sea el mismo tamaño de grueso y calidad buena también, porque se puede romper rápido. So luckily I had an extra one of these lying around, and I was able to replace it, okay, and get my thing going again. So I'm really happy. You know, I hope that you guys learned something from this video, and you guys can you know, appreciate and use it and help others, you know, and use it to your own benefits as well. Okay, so it's always good making videos for you guys. Make sure you guys hit like, subscribe to my channel. You guys don't forget to subscribe to my video, you guys, or join our club members. Okay, this is my new belt that I'm gonna put on, you guys. Okay, this is the old one. Aquí pueden ver la nueva banda, okay, que compré para mis motores, okay, para las poleas. You guys can see it fits right on perfect, okay, you guys. So that's a win-win situation for me. It's nice, good and thick, good quality, okay, belt, and it works perfect. You guys can see it spins it and everything. So como pueden ver aquí, me quedó bien, me quedó perfecto. Ok, es un buen tamaño, no está muy grande, muy chiquita, y es buena calidad. Y aquí está la que se quebró. Ok, no se olviden de suscribirse a mi canal. Denle un like. Únense con nuestros miembros, ok. Siempre estamos dando algo gratis cada mes, ok. So you guys just make sure you put everything back together the way it is. Make sure you put you turn that screw back to how you found it, and you also go ahead and do the height adjustment, calibrate the machine all over again, okay. Do the cutting calibration, height adjustment, okay. So just go ahead and calibrate the whole machine from the beginning, all right. No se olviden de calibrar la máquina, okay, de hacer el ajuste de altura y todo eso, okay. De diferentes mordazas, de calibrar todas las mordazas y todo, ok. Ahorita estoy ajustando el tornillo, ok, que mueve el motor para arriba y para abajo, ok, de la cortadora. Estoy ajustando ese tornillo, y ya después que termino esto voy a calibrar las mordazas, voy a calibrar la cortadora, ok, voy a hacer el ajuste de nivel de altura, y voy a poner mi cobertura y voy a bajar el nivel del motor que mueve la cortadura y el pro para arriba y para abajo, okay. Alright guys, so we replaced our belt. We're gonna go ahead and put our front cover back on. We're gonna lower the motor that moves the probe and cutter up and down. Okay, fairly simple, you guys. Make sure you guys hit like, subscribe to my channel, you guys. Thank you guys for all the support, for all the love. I will to you guys. Take care.